Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Monday, March 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the Euro US dollar monthly, on the monthly, I am definitely still very bullish. I still think this is going to make an uptrend. I still believe eventually it is going to go up and take out these highs, probably end up all the way up to one of these Fibonacci extension levels. I still think it's possibly an expanding wave C, like an expanding flat wave C if you actually zoom out on the monthly. So going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, I still think this first push up is a 1. I still think this is an ABC of 2. I think it's an expanding flat wave 2 because it's a higher high wave B, lower low wave C. Definitely looks like an expanding flat to me. If that's true, then that means this is a 1, that this is a 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is already over is kind of argumentative. I think at this point it probably is going to go down more before it actually does go up, finishing off this wave 2 and eventually going up to make that big wave 3. So going down to the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, I think this first uptrend is a 1, and I think this is a wave 2. Whether or not the wave 2 is over, I think is kind of, I think that this is more likely that the wave 2 is not over because this looks like a downtrend, probably a wave A. I think this is most likely an uptrend or 3 waves up, like a crescent to the move down, like wave B. And I think this is more likely now in a downtrend, which I think is at least going to go down to one of these lower Fibonacci retracement levels before it actually does go up to make that big wave 3. So this is a 1, this is a big ABC of 2, and then it goes up for a big wave 3. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. 4 hour time frame, there's always a possibility this is an A, this is a B, and this is a C. That's why I keep saying on those higher time frames that it's kind of not really certain or sure whether the wave 2 is actually over or not. I think that it is more likely that this is a 1 and that this move up is probably going to be a 2 and then it goes down for a wave 3 and that this is all a wave C. Like this is a 1, this is a 2, and this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C forming. So I am definitely looking for shorts primarily. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement out here. Now whether this is a C or whether it really is turning into a new uptrend, I guess is we're gonna have to wait and find out. Now we definitely have impulsive up, we got corrective down. It looks like it should at least go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels. Now if it does go up to one of these higher Fibonacci levels, make some sort of a 3-way pattern, make a nice impulsive engulfing move to the downside, and I would definitely take it as a short. Like I was saying, I think it's more likely this is a 1, this is a 2, and that it's going to keep on going down for a wave 3. But we do have to be ready for all possibilities, and if this really is a wave C, and if you see a higher low after a break structure, then I would take that as a long, and if it really is a wave C, it might just keep on trending up. I kind of doubt that this is the end of a wave C. I do think this is more likely to make a crescent to the downtrend, but you never know, so that's why you enter at the end of this wave B or 2, not knowing whether it's going to make a C or 3, and as long as you pay attention to the market, I think the market will prove to you whether it's a wave C or whether it's a wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is up here in the card up above. And don't forget to check out my new website, link down here in the corner. As always, thanks and happy trading.